So during the week, I came across this particular video, and the video already has almost 70,000 views, and it's about making money online. And as usual, as a tester, or what should I call myself, as a good tester, or as someone who would like to test everything, I decided, okay, I need to test this particular one since it's having a lot of views, and then to bring it to you, my subscribers, my viewers, to let you know if this actually work as usual, or if it doesn't work, and if you don't need to try it. Of course, we are going to explore every opportunity which is online for us to make money. So this particular video is from a channel called Cash Pro, and then like I said, the video has almost 70k views, and that's massive. So for something to have 70k views, that means it's really working. So as usual, I decided to put it to the test, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys everything, how the website looks like, all you need to click, and how to actually make money from the website, and also the withdrawal method. If you want more videos like this, just comment in the comment section which country you are from, and I'm going to be exploring more videos that is going to suit your country. But the good thing about this one is it works worldwide, so there is no restriction here. It's just worldwide. So as usual, I'm going to be sharing my screen with you. So I believe you can actually see my screen right now, and the name of the website, which I'm going to be also linking in the description, is ViewVerset. That sounds really so tricky to pronounce, but of course, pardon me if you can pronounce it better, just help me. Yeah, so ViewVerset is the name of the website. I'm going to be linking it in the description, so you have nothing to worry about. And by the time you log into the website, or by the time you register on the website, this is how you see how everything looks like. Like I told you, I've been doing this for 2 days. You can see 22 and 23. You can see it on the screen there, and I will show you how much I've made so far on this website. This is my third day of logging into the website, and this is the day I'm making this video just for you to be able to see it. So this is how the website look. I can see the referral, you can see the ladder board here. When you click the ladder board here, it's going to show you how many people are on the website and how much they've actually made so far. You can see this is somebody who have made almost 2 million token, 300,000 token price, and you can see so on and so forth. You can also check this out all by yourself, so don't waste time on this video trying to check this. And you can actually see the withdrawal here, which we are going to come back to in a minute. They also have coupons for you, which you can use to purchase some stuff. Coupon, if you have some coupon code for you to get some extra bonuses, it's also here for you. They also have daily bonus, which I actually liked about them since I've been testing them out. And you can see here I have this daily bonus, which I can actually click on claim, and then I just claim that particular bonus. So I can, you see, there are more bonus for me to claim here, but I'm going to show you. And then they have these challenges which go on and on, which you can actually get some money from here. So how do we even make money from this website? Actually, we make money from this website by watching Google ads. So there are ads on a particular website or YouTube videos and everything, and we just need to watch those ads for a few seconds, and then we'll make money from that. So this is short links. Also, they have short links also, which you can actually try. You can see the reward for these links. If you complete all these links for today, because it's always daily, you actually have almost 33,000 tokens if you complete them. So they have 147 available for today. So for the PTC, which is where we are actually making the money from the PTC, this is where we make the money from, and this is how it looks like. So everything we actually need to do from this particular area is, you can see there are a lot of them. There are 17 windows, there's 18 frames, and then there's 4 YouTube pages. So let's say you want to actually make money today. So what you need to do is just click on any of these ones here to watch the advert. All you need to do, you see, we have to view this one for 60 seconds. Yeah, you just click on view. By the time you click on view, it's going to open another tab on your browser. When it opens another tabs on your browser, come back to their page. You see the seconds is actually reading. You can see it's going to 49 seconds. That means you see have this website, you see have it opened on your screen. So the seconds will keep reading and reading and reading. We keep reading, and when it's reading, it's going to show you for you to claim your token, and this token will then be added to to amount of token which you have. So let's wait for a few more seconds, 28 seconds, 27 seconds, 26 seconds. And if you scroll down, you see more of them. You see 15 seconds, you see 5 seconds, and you see how many tokens they give. 50 tokens as usual. 22 token, 20. You just see the lower the seconds, the lower the token which they give. So when you scroll down, you see and they will tell you what time they are available again. And you can see this one is available in the by the time you click on view and then you get to 21 token, this particular one will be available again in the next 24 hours. Let's go back. The first one which we did is done, and you can see it brings out this particular page for us. And then we just need to click I am not a robot, and then if we give us this one, it says select the upside down picture. So we need to select the upside down picture just for us to verify. So I think it's this ant here. We click on it and then we click on verify, and then that money has been added to our account. We can always see our account up here. You can always see your balance up here, and then you see you can also click more, and then you see this particular one which we already clicked. When you scroll down, you will see it here. It will be available again in the next 10 hours. So you can also log in. So by the time you view all of them, you will see what time they're also available. It's 24 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours, and then you can just come back the next day and then you view more token. When you go to the frame, it's also the same thing. You are just watching adverts. After 30 seconds, it comes down, you claim your token. You can see this one is 30 seconds, 77 token. You can click on view, and then when you click on view, it's start loading. You can see it's loading here. The seconds is loading. Just by your right, if you look just by the top right of your keyboard, you will see here, you can see the countdown timer is going, and when it is done, you see it here, just 11 seconds, 10 more seconds, 9 more seconds, 8 more seconds, 7 more seconds. You just need to scroll. You don't even need to scroll on the website, but you don't need to close it. When you close it, you don't get your token. So so then it brings this page again. Click on I'm not a robot, and then choose the upside down picture again, just as usual. I think it's this one, and then click on verify, and then you get your token, and then you can close the page. You can actually close it. You can close this one also, and then you come back to your page. You can see the token is ready here. So since you've seen how it actually works, so you can come here and then do your token. So let's see how we can actually reward. You see, for this particular reward, for all these ones here, by the time it's 2,000 tokens, you can do it. You have 91 adverts, and then it takes you 725 seconds to complete everything. So you can always do everything every day, and yeah, as you like. So let's then go to where we see our earnings. So when we go to our withdraw, let's go to our withdraw. You can see your address. You can see the amount you have. This is the amount I have so far, 7,000 token. You can see it's here up here also. You can see, and this is how they actually withdraw on this particular platform. They don't withdraw cash on this particular platform. They withdraw with cryptocurrency. So you can actually transfer all your token which you get into cryptocurrency, and then this cryptocurrency, then you can then use this cryptocurrency to earn out cash. You can see USDT here. With this 7,000 token which I've gotten so far, it has given 45% of this amount of USDT. And then you can see my Fast Pay. I'm not the crypto guy, but I have a brother who is in crypto stuff, so he knows better than this. So by the time you choose the one you want to do, like you can see this one's now is 100%, then I can just click on I want to get this one, then I can say I'm not a robot, then I can choose the upside down stuff, then I can click on withdraw again, and then it's going to, so I need to click the upside down one, and then I click on withdraw again, and then I should be able to, so I need to put the crypto address here. You see, I need to put the address here as usual. So that is how you cash out from this particular platform. But I think the USDT is the faster, and if you click here, if you look up here, you see how much you've made so far, and you see how much it is in a cryptocurrency. So see here, by the time you actually click here, you can select this drop down and see all the cryptos available. Let's say I choose USDT, and then it shows me up here. So as I'm earning my money, I can actually be checking how much is available. So if you have USDT account, if you have all this crypto listed here, I think this is for you. If you don't have also, you can actually create one. I'm not the crypto guy also, but when I'm ready to cash it out, there are many people which you can meet and then you cash out this crypto. So this is what I want to bring to you today. I think it's very, very interesting and it really looks genuine. You can always come here to these challenges also after you complete all your PTC per day. You can also come here and claim some more tokens. And yeah, so I was able to make 7,000 tokens within 2 days, which is actually a lot, which I think is actually good. So I believe if I do it for one week or so, I'll be able to get to, because I want to withdraw USDT, I'll be able to get this. I hope this video is actually helpful to you. So if you liked it, if you like what I'm talking about on the channel, if you like how I'm testing this stuff, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, because every Sunday I drop new video just like this one, how to help you to make some extra cash online. My name is Akere as usual, and you know what, of course, I'm going to catch you in the next one. Check out for the link to this particular website in the description, and you can actually click on it from there. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now. Peace.